It's been a little while since I did a update video. We got some parts back from Powder Coat for the 07. Here's the trans pan. This is the double deep mag high tech for the trans that come out of my white single cab and is gonna go for another project, but I went ahead and got the pan powder coated. I'm gonna leave it wrapped because I'm gonna keep it in the shop. It'll be a little bit, but there's the number for it. It's just a normal mag high tech double deep trans pan. There's the color of it. Turned out awesome. Like I said, I'm just gonna put it over in the corner of the shop till I get that other 48 built, and then we'll be good to roll with it. So I got my bypass oil filter mount back from Powder Coat. Turned out amazing. The color on this is beautiful. Kind of got everything. I put all the fittings in last night. That way the thread sealant could glue itself. I just basically got to make the lines. That's where I can take my oil samples. Gonna work on getting it installed and the oil changed in the 07 here, and doing differentials as well. But want to get this installed before I drop any oil to make sure everything works and it's how I want it. So I got the kind of mock-up going on here. I wanted to show quick before I get lines made. But I'm coming over here to the oil filter housing. I don't know how good with very little light you're going to be able to see that. Basically tapping into the top of the oil filter. Just using -4 AN lines, something small. It doesn't need to be. It's not a full flow filter. So there's how it's mounted. I think it turned out really nice. Like I said, I'm making the line for it now, and then I'm gonna go right back in the oil cap with my out. Like I said, it's mounted straight to the head there. I got one bolt that's still out. Probably gonna have to cut it a little shorter, but I just want to get my lines made real quick and get it finished up. Okay, everything's installed. You know, I really should have got some. This should have been like 120 degree, and this should have been like a 160 or something, but it really doesn't look bad at all. Same with this. I forgot that I was, extending it up so I could do my sample catcher there. I mean, it doesn't look bad at all. So now to get the oil changed, and I'll clean it up from where I put my dirty hands all on it and give it a start. So as you can tell, this is all the oil and everything off for the 07. Basically, got an oil change with bypass filter. It got transfer case fluid changed, front diff, rear diff fluids changed, everything except for the trans fluid, and I could care less about that 68 RFE. That thing's a slush box anyways, and its problem is going to get solved eventually. But everything got a whole host of Schaefer fluid, like I always run. Front and rear diff got just normal 75/90. I mean, you could put 140 in the rear diff, but that truck's not a full out tow truck, so I just put 75/90 to do exactly what I need.